Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we have the formula in here. Cosine 2x, that is about 1 minus 2 sine x squared. So we need to transform cosine 2x into this one. 1 minus 1 we cancel. Next, sine x square, we have sine x. So for this one we can put like this. Next, we have the formula. When s approaches to number 0, sine of this one equals to number 1. So this one equals to number 1 in here. And we have number 0 because sine of 0 equals to number 0. Question number 2. We need to do about factorization of this one. So I will put about 2s minus s, because 2s with minus s we have positive s. Next, we can do about factorization by s. This one by number 2. So s minus 1 we can do another factorization. And now we can put like this. Next, we have the formula in here. And this one equals to number 1. So for this one we have equals to number 1 in here because s approach to number 1 with 1 in here. So we have like this. And we have 1 over 3. Now let's go to the next one. We do the same. So about 2s, I can put into 5s minus 3s. We can do about factorization by s. This one by number 5. We can do another factorization by s minus number 3. And now we can put like this. Now we go to the same formula in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.